over here. You can see the element here. So this is just a plain metal. So what causes it to not working? If you check very carefully, you can find out there are some rusty parts. I made it not to contact. Let's see. Let's see. So all you just need to do, no need of scraping it, or you can still scrape it. But the best, just turn it the other way. So like this. So assembling it inside this tape. So firstly, what you do is take one piece in, you can see, then you take the metal. Sorry, not metal. I don't really know. Yes, it's a metal, but I don't really know what type of metal it is. So you just arrange it inside. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Please don't forget to then take the clean part, as you can see, the opposite to it. You can see the way. You can see. In so you can see.
Let me say, you are sleeping, you sleep now.